but I sort of forget.
What are the units? Feet times feet times feet. What does that become?
Feet, right?
Feet cubed.
Feet cubed.
Or cubic feet. Okay, so let's have you really quickly try another multiplication problem here. Let's have you try 425 times 7.
Okay.
Go ahead and work that out, please.
Okay. I want to go through the steps and then tell you if it's, can you tell me if it's wrong or right?
Of course.
So what I did first is 5 times 7,
Okay.
which that got me 35. I put the 5 on the bottom and then the 2, well, yeah, the 2 on the top of the...
3 though, you said.
Yeah, 3, sorry.
Good.
And then after 7 times 2 is 14, and then we add the 3, right?
Yes.
So that was 17.
Okay, and what's the carry?
The carry is 1. And then after 7 times 4, 28. But then I got plus the 1 is 29.
Okay.
So I just put the 29 on the bottom, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
Let's have you do just one more, please. 5,037 times 8. Okay, just try one more and then we'll move on to your other stuff.
So if it's 0 times 8, it becomes 0, right?
That's right.
Okay. I don't really know how to say this, but is it?
Just start giving me the digits.
4.
Okay.
0.
Okay.
2.
Okay.
9. 6.
Seems like it's correct. All right, good. Okay, I got a new problem here for us to look at, a new volume problem.
Okay.
All right, so this one is a composition. Composition means that it's 2 or more things. So what would be good for us to do is actually to break apart the 2 or more things. So let's look at the one. I'm gonna shade it in red here. Let's look at this one. We'll kind of look at this one off to the side. So it's got a front face. It's got a side face. And then it's got a top here.
Yes.
Okay. So this is 8. This is 6. Can you tell me the height of this from the figure? From over here, can you tell me what the height is?
Is it 2?
It's 2. See how that goes vertical there?
Oh, yeah.
And it's the same everywhere.
Mm.
Okay, so can you calculate the volume of this for me, which is length times width times height?
So I multiply, right?
Yes.
Is it 96?
Yes. What are the units?
96
Those are
yards.
yards, but what's the
Uh,
little more?
yards.
So this 3 means yards cubed or cubic yards.
Oh, okay.
All right, now let's look at the blue. So we'll draw the blue one now. Okay, so it's got a front face. It's got a side face. And then it's got a top. So it's 3 and 2. Can you tell me what this length is here in front?
8.
It's not 8. 8's over here. Nothing to do with that one. Has nothing. These don't apply.
So 5.
5, yeah. All right, so could you give me the volume for this, please?
Okay. So 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Is it 20?
You are multiplying 5 times 3 times 2. Is that right?
Can I try one more time really quick?
Yeah, just make sure those are the 3 numbers that you're multiplying by.
5 times 3 is... $30, right?
What are the units though? 30 what?
30 yards.
A little more.
30 yards cubic?
Yeah. Or you can say cubic yards.
Cubic
Yard.
yards.
Yeah. Okay, now you're not quite done. You have to add these 2 numbers together.
Oh, we have to add them.
Yes. Small little wrinkle in this problem. Makes it a little more challenging.
Is it 126?
Yes. 126. What are the units?
Cubic yards?
Cubic yards. Perfect. Yep. Okay, let's look at another one here. This is another composite shape. All right, so it says that Eric helps his dad build and fill a sandbox. Okay, the solid figure represents the sandbox. So we're gonna make a cut here. I'm gonna make a cut right there. All right,
Okay.
and we're gonna look at the red one first. So this back one.
Okay.
Okay, so it's got a little front face. It's got a side and a top here. So I'll fill in some of this information. The height is 6. The height is 6. That's what this means over here.
Okay.
This dimension here that I'm showing, it's not here, but it is on the other side. So that would make it 18. Now the front goes from like this place in red to this other place in red. From here to kind of right where this cutout is 18 inches. And then there's another 18 inches here.
Okay.
So that makes 36. So the volume is 36 times 18 times 6. So I want you to multiply 36 times 18 first, please.
Okay. Okay, is it 288?
It is not. Let's look at it together here. That way I can help you find your potential mistakes. So did you take the 8 and multiply it by the 6?
Yes.
That's 48 with a carry, 8 with a carry of 4. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4 is 28. So that's the first part. That's the 288. But there's a bit more to do, right? You have to put a 0 here and then a 1 times the 6. You have to multiply this 1 times each of these digits. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3.
Okay.
And then you have to add these together. So go ahead and add those together for me.
Okay. $648.
648, good. But unfortunately, that's just this first part, okay? We now have to multiply that number times 6. 648 times 6. Give this a try. This is what we were doing earlier.
Wow, this is a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so 4, 8, times 6. So I always have to multiply by 6, right?
By whatever the last number is. But you're multiplying each of the numbers by the 6. We did a couple examples of that earlier.
Okay. 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 Okay, so
Any questions for me on this, Zoe?
let's- um, I kind of lost it.
Okay. So 6 times 8 is 48.
Mm-hmm.
Carry a 4. 6 times 4 is 24 plus the 4 is 8.
Mm-hmm.
And then 6 times 6 is 36 plus the 2 is 38, like that. Okay, so we got to finish this problem off. So we're going to have to do yet another volume calculation here. We're going to have to do the one in blue.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna redraw it here. Just check that answer one more time. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So that blue, it's got a front face, It's got a side face. It's got a height here. So it's 18 by 18 by 2. So the volume is 18 times 18 times 2. Okay. So I'd like you to try multiplying the 18 times the 18 again.
Okay.
18 times 18. And it's just like this up here. You got to multiply them both and then add. But let me know what you come up with.
Okay. Is it 172?
It's a bit more than that. So let's go through this. 8 times 8 is, give me that.
That is 64.
Okay. 8 times 1 is 8 plus the 6 is
14.
14. Now you have to put a 0 here because you're and that's what's going to move over your answer. So I'm sorry, you're adding these up here. So it ends up being 324. Okay. But now you have to take that 324 and multiply it by 2. So can you do that for me, please?
Okay. 32, 4 times 2. 14, 8, 4. Is this 648?
Yes. Okay, so we're almost there. The total volume, the volume total for this problem is the 648 you just found plus the number from the previous part, the 3,888.
So I add those both up?
Yes. So go ahead and do that for me, please. Again, probably best to do them vertically. 3,888 plus the 648, like that.
Okay. Is it 4,536?
Looks right to me. All right, really good. So then the units on that, the units are inches times inches times inches, or cubic inches. Cubic inches.
Okay.
Okay, so let's just spend a couple minutes doing some order of operations problems.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start out with a problem like this. 3 plus 4 minus 2. Can you tell me what the result of this is, if you know?
Okay. Is it 5?
Yes, it is 5.
Yeah.
Now let's go 2 times 5 plus 4. So
Okay.
which comes first, multiplication or addition?
I say addition.
So it comes from this right here. You go
Oh,
left to right.
multiplication first.
Yeah. So
So
multiply first.
2. So that's 10. So 14.
14. Good. Okay. Very good. Let's try another one here. How about 6 plus 5 times 3? So again, which comes first, the addition or the multiplication?
The multiplication.
Okay, so you got to multiply those together.
Is that 21?
It's 15. 6 plus 15.
21.
21. You got it. Okay. Now, what if it's like you were asking me earlier, 3 times 4 divided by 2? So here's the order of operations.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what comes first, multiplication or division?
Multiplication.
Yeah, but these, so what the truth is though, is that these have what are called equal precedent, which means you can actually do this problem 2 ways. So I'm going to show you how you could do it in 2 ways, which I hope isn't confusing, but let's just say you wanted to multiply first. Okay, what is 3 times 4?
3 times 4 is 12.
Okay, divided by 2.
Divided by 2. 6.
6. Now let's go over here. Let's divide first. What is 4 divided by 2?
4 divided by 2 is 2.
Okay, and then 3 times 2.
3 times 2 is 6.
Good. So this equal precedent applies to multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. So we'll look at that now. Let's say it's 5 plus 8 minus 4.
5
Okay.
plus 8 minus 4. Okay.
So on the left, I want you to add first. On the right, I want you to subtract first.
Okay. I got both the same 9.
Right, it's 13 minus 4, which is 9. 5 plus 4, which is 9. Okay, so we'll have to talk a little bit more about this next time, but we're gonna go ahead and stop here. You can let Michael know that I'm all ready for him whenever he wants to join in.
Okay, thank you. Michael's gonna come in a different computer.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Well, Hey, Michael, how are you? Hey, Michael, can you hear me?
Yeah,
All right. Well, how was your weekend?
good.
Okay. Are you playing a new video game or anything? Are you looking forward to a new game coming out?
No.
No. Okay. Well, looks like we actually started this fraction unit already, so we can just keep working on it. Um, how's school going?
Good.
All right. Well, here's a fraction problem for you. This is kind of a warm-up question because you already know how to do something like this. Can you take a look at that?
Okay. I need help adding
What do you mean you need help adding? Give me some more information. Because last time you were doing a problem like this completely on your own, and there's nothing new about this. This is complete review.
Okay.
So when the uh, when the bottoms are the same, the tops are added.
Uh 8,
You're adding 3 plus 6. What is 3 plus 6?
9,
9. And what's the bottom number?
10. I mean, yeah.
Good. So which is the correct answer?
All the way the bottom one.
The last one there. Good. Okay. Let's try another one here. Again, you've done this. Like you've done this for me. I don't know if something's different about you today. Sometimes we wake up and, we're not excited about math, but I need you to just give me your best here. We only got another 13 minutes. So let's do the best we can in this time. It'll go by quickly.
Okay. 6, 8,
Okay. How did you get that?
because I added 3 and 4.
No, that's not how you got 6. You didn't add 3 and 4 because 3 plus 4 is 7.
Okay.
Michael, I'm gonna give you like 2 minutes and then we're gonna end the lesson if you don't want to work on stuff today, which is okay with me. But I'm gonna give you a 2-minute break here, and I really want you to be ready to go at 4:40, okay? Or 3:40, sorry, 3:40. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, are you ready to work on a problem here? Michael, can you hear me? You'll have to unmute yourself again. Michael, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to work on this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to add the top numbers, okay? And then you're going to keep the bottom numbers. So add the top numbers.
6
over.
over 4.
Good. Okay, now, do you see how none of these answers are there?
No.
None of the answers are there, right? So we have to do something here. Is there a number that we can divide both the top and bottom by?
Yeah.
Okay, what is that? What number goes into both?
2.
Good. What is 6 divided by 2?
4.
Okay, and I'm sorry, no, 6 divided by 2 is not 4. You're dividing by 2, you're not subtracting.
Oh. 4. Oh, wait, no.
Try again.
2.
6 divided by 2, Michael. So you're trying to figure out what number, 2 times what number gets you to 6?
3.
Yes, 3. How about 4 divided by 2?
2.
Yes, good. Okay, now 3 halves. 3 over 2 is the same as 1 and 1/2. All right, so let's look at another problem here. Do you have a, let me see if I can, let me see, I'm just looking here. Sorry, just give me a moment to pull one up. Do that. Okay, so the next problem here, again, kind of the same deal here. You got 2 fractions with the same denominator. So let me snip that in. All right, so take a look at this one. Can you add those for me?
Okay. 11 over 12.
Good, very good. Okay, now we can also subtract, right? Like and it's the same thing. You subtract the top numbers, you keep the bottom number. Okay, so here we go. Subtract the top numbers, but keep the bottom number.
Okay. So 10 over 100.
Good. Now, is there a number that goes into both 10 and 100?
By multiplying or?
Dividing. You're dividing and divide both of these.
Okay.
Is there a number that goes into both 10 and 100? I'll take anything.
2.
Okay, I agree. So that's 5 over 50.
So.
All right. Now, is there a number that goes into both 5 and 50?
Yes.
What is that?
1.
Well, 1 goes into everything. So like while that's true, it goes into everything.
So.
How about 5? Does 5 go into both?
Yeah.
Okay. What is 50 divided by 5?
10.
Nope. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. I said the wrong thing. I meant 5 divided by 5. What is 5 divided by 5?
1.
Good. So what is the correct answer here?
1/10. I mean, yeah.
Good. Okay, so here's another one for you to look at. I want you to try this one on your own.
Okay. Do I divide the next number?
Well, tell me what you got when you subtracted. What is your result?
I have a piece of paper.
I'm sorry, say that again.
I didn't have a piece of paper.
Okay, well, you should probably have one for every lesson: pencil, notebook, piece of paper.
Okay. Now I got one. So eight.
13 minus 6.
Oh. Seven
7 over. What's on the bottom?
over 12.
Good. Any, does that match up with any of the answers here?
Yeah.
Which one?
B.
Good. All right, let's try another one here. Let's go 9/12 minus 6/12.
Okay. Three over
Over.
12.
Good. Does that reduce? Is there a number that goes into both 3 and 12?
3.
Good. What is 3 divided by 3?
1.
Okay. And 12 divided by 3?
4.
Okay, good. All right. Good. Let's do one more real quick. How about 17 over 20 minus 7 over 20?
10 over 20.
And what does that reduce to?
5
Over.
over 4.
20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now, is there a number that goes into both of these?
Yeah.
So it should be 1/2.
So is it like quarters or a whole?
It's a half. It's a half.